So you've seen that you can buy solar panels in parts and pieces on the internet. You can buy them from the big box stores. You can even buy them on Amazon. Well, there's a little more to it than just having the parts and the pieces. Everything needs to be designed so that when you plug the panels together, the voltages match up with the inverter that the panels plug into. So you get this far, you get the design and you get everything put together. Now your local jurisdiction is going to require a permit to pull, and you're going to need an electrician to pull that permit. And the electrician's going to need to understand DC systems and solar installations, and in order to fill out the paperwork and pull that permit for you according to all the codes. We do all this in-house, and we've been doing it for a long time. So it's what we do, and it's what we're happy to do for every single client. On top of that, if you want to have a grid-tied system where you're going to get credit from your utility company, you have to do an interconnection agreement. So we are set up, and we do that for every single client from beginning to end. So all you need to do is contact us. We will design the whole system, model everything out, tell you exactly what it's going to do for you, lay out all the financials, what your return on investment is going to be, how much is it going to cost, what your tax credits are going to be, everything, and even offer financing to get you through that. So the question is really, why would you want to try to take all that on yourself?